Hi everyone, and welcome to IDS 504, the Construction of Knowledge and Culture. This is your foundational course in the Interdisciplinary Studies Master's degree. I'm so excited to have you here. We want to begin the narrative and your journey through this graduate program with the underpinnings of how we create knowledge and answer the questions we have about the world. So that is what we're going to be doing over the course of this semester. As soon as you logged on, I know that you went to the Let's Get Started checklist, where you have come to this video. After you finish watching this, you can go through each of these overviews of what it means to be in this course, to get an understanding of how we are going to pursue this semester. But there's a few things I want to point out to you that might not be intuitive if you've taken other online asynchronous graduate courses. So know that you can look here, and I have little emojis by each thing to tell you whether you are going to be reading it, whether it's a discussion board, quizzes have puzzle pieces. Whenever you're going to be viewing something, when it requires watching it, I put an I there for you. And then here you'll see reminders. Those reminders are just going to come up here, over here in your syllabus. Those reminders are there to tell you that you need to respond to a discussion board. With how Canvas is set up, I can't put multiple due dates, and I want to make sure you're getting those automated reminders of when everything is due. Also, I want you to be aware of how readings are set up in this course. So you'll see here, there's a stack of books. That is your readings for this module. Each module has them. When you click on those readings, it will take you to what you're going to read. This here is an electronic book in our library. Sometimes you'll see PDFs of book chapters or articles. Sometimes I will bring you directly to that article in the library. It just depends on how I have access to it. But you do not need to purchase anything. Everything is available to you electronically to read in each module. Now, also, to be aware, you'll see here that this course starts on August 21st. I give you a day to get and look over everything before things are due. So you start having things due on the 21st, and you'll see that that happens in Module 1. And then Module 1 ends the 26th. But if you'll notice here that you have a quiz here, Introduction to Autoethnography, on the 26th as well. So as you're finishing up one module, you'll be going down to the next module. So just so you are aware of that, whenever you're in the course, you might be finishing up the readings at one space, like right here, responding to the discussion board, as well as watching a lecture and doing a quiz. And that's just the nature of being in an online asynchronous course where you are going to have ongoing projects. You're going to get to experience each of these methods of creating knowledge, of conducting your own original research through designing a project. And you'll be able to test out what you think of each method in a small, concentrated application on a subject that interests you. So because that takes a little time, sometimes I'll also have a reading due, or a lecture due, or a group assignment due. So that is all I needed to show you. Know that assignments are always due 11:59 p.m. on the day that they are assigned. If you have any questions, just reach out to me. I can't wait to get to know each of you, to see what kinds of questions about the world you're passionate about, and to support you on this journey to this program. I feel it is such a privilege to be the first professor that you encounter as an Interdisciplinary Studies Master's student. Okay, thanks so much, and let me know if you have any questions.